Looking for even more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No prior experience required. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is illustration. From book covers to social media posts, there's a growing demand for unique and eye-catching illustrations. If you're creative and love drawing, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Procreate. Many clients pay $50 to $300 per illustration, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on developing a unique style and building a portfolio. You can find work on platforms like Behance or by reaching out to authors and businesses directly. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative career. Next is tech support. As more businesses go remote, the demand for tech support specialists is skyrocketing. If you're good at troubleshooting and problem solving, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of common software and hardware issues. Many clients pay $20 to $50 per hour for tech support services. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. You can also reach out to small businesses that need IT help. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Third is online research. Businesses and individuals often need help gathering information on specific topics, and that's where you come in. As an online researcher, you'll collect and analyze data to provide valuable insights. Start by learning how to use search engines, databases, and research tools effectively. Many clients pay $15 to $50 per hour for online research services, depending on the complexity of the project. To stand out, focus on delivering accurate and well-organized information. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to businesses that need market analysis. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Fourth is branding and identity design. Every business needs a strong brand to stand out, and if you're creative and detail-oriented, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Many clients pay $500 to $5,000 per project, depending on the scope. To get started, build a portfolio with sample projects and showcase your work on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. With consistent effort, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities. Finally, let's talk about digital products. If you're creative or knowledgeable in a specific area, you can create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, or online courses. Start by identifying a niche you're passionate about and creating valuable content. Many creators earn $100 to $5,000 per month, depending on the demand for their products. To stand out, focus on creating high-quality and engaging content. Use platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable to sell your products. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a scalable income stream. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose illustration, tech support, online research, branding and identity design, or digital products, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.